will teach you how to insert an image in for printing. For this, I click on the image icon. I have already uploaded a file, so that you can upload a picture. Click on the file and select the file you need. Supported image formats are JPG, PNG, and monochrome drawing. You can see that my drawing is black. To adjust the visibility, apply the filter that is located in the left corner. For this, you need to adjust the sensitivity with the slider. Do this until the image appears. Let's apply the settings and see what happens. Great! Let's change its size by pulling the corner. I will also create a copy to make a second drawing, but with inversion of colors. Let's change the color on the second copy. Click on the pencil icon. In this menu, on the bottom right, select the negative, check the box and apply the settings. Great! Now you know how to insert an image. Thanks for attention.